Here are the utensils that we're going to need today. We're going to use a sauté pan. We're going to sauté our chicken here in this, and then when we're done with it, we're going to cook it about 3/4 of the way through. Then we're going to put it onto our baking sheet, top it with our goat cheese and tomato, and then we're going to broil that in the oven. We've got a large pot here. We're going to cube our potatoes, boil some water, boil it in here. Then we're going to drain it out into here, bring it back in, and then we'll put our spinach, cheese, and our milk. We're going to boil together some milk, salt, pepper, and butter in this. We're also going to use another pan. This one is going to be for our spinach, and we're going to cook that for about a minute. We have another strainer here, and that's because we're going to take our lemon with this small container and juice it, and we're going to do that so that the seeds will stay in here and we won't have to pick them out ourselves. We're going to use this pan right here for our vegetables. We're going to cut them up, put them down here in the bottom, make our mustard sauce, and dump it over the top. We're going to be using a masher to make our mashed potatoes, a knife, a spoon, a peeler, a cutting board, and because we're dealing with chicken, we're going to be using a plastic glove.